What's good, everybody? This is Morgan with Premium Details, man. Thanks for watching the video, and if you don't mind, definitely like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Alright, so I made another upgrade today. Well, something just came in the mail for you, boy. I was starting off with this. I was using this for a long time. I used to use this to blow out crevices and stuff like that. You see, it's a nice blowout tool. I had a small air compressor to go with it, but I upgraded my air compressor so I could upgrade to something else, which is this bad boy, the Tornador, made in Taiwan. Yes, sir. So super excited, man. Just want to come over here and make a quick video, and just show the sheer power difference that this bad boy makes versus the one I used to do, the one I used to work with. It's good. It's a good tool. I definitely would recommend this tool to somebody starting out, but this was like maybe 10 to 15 bucks. But if you got the bread to invest the extra, 35, 40 bucks, man, you might as well go with this bad boy, because it has a little cone inside that when you press the air compressor, when you activate the air compressor, this right here spins a drill brush. And you know how you blow it, how you use the drill brush first to kind of dislodge the dirt, and then you hit it with the air compressor and then vacuum. This right here takes all the work out of that. With this tool, you can this serves as the drill brush right here, because it goes round and round and round and round, and it just annihilates the dirt, and then you can easily vacuum it up. So I'm gonna show y'all the difference between it, so stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm in my dirty truck just to show y'all the differences between this bad boy and this bad boy. Alright, like I said, man, this is a good tool. There's nothing wrong with this tool, but like I said, if you got that extra cash. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all. And I'm about to vacuum all this out and get it cleaned up, but just want to show y'all real quick. Let me try to get y'all a little closer. Bing. Alright. Got my air compressor piece. About to show y'all. The first one I'm gonna show you is with this boy. Alright. So as you can see, it blows it out. Yeah. It blows it out good. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with this piece. But let me show you what this bad boy do. I mean, I was blown away by it, man. At first I was like, well, I'll just keep my little cheap piece or whatever. But when I got this thing, man, and when I got this and I used it, I was like, wow. Alright, so watch this. Sorry if my air compressor too loud. As you can see, man, night and day. Night and day, man. It ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. It ain't no joke, man. So I definitely would recommend it. That's the before and after. And this is before the vacuum. This is before I vacuum the carpet. Okay? Dope piece of equipment, man. Dope piece of equipment. I would highly recommend it, because it's a damn good piece of equipment. And like I said, I'm about to come through and vacuum all of this. I just want to show y'all the power of the Tornador. Now you definitely gonna want to upgrade your air compressor, because the Tornador is pretty powerful, and you can't just use any kind of air compressor. You can't use a cheap air compressor for it. You have to use something that got a lot of power. So I had this one. This is my old air compressor. 3rd gallon, 3rd horsepower, 3-gallon air compressor. This is what I used for years. But I upgraded to this one. Upgraded to this bad boy. Okay, so you definitely want to make sure you got enough power, because it is a strong machine that's going to require a lot of power. So definitely make sure you have an air compressor that's at least 150 horsepower, at least 6 gallons, and you should be good to go. So just want to make a quick video, man, just to show y'all what I'm working with. I got some other videos coming, so definitely watch out for those. Look out for those. And the only way you can do that is by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your people, because I'm trying to grow. You feel what I'm saying? So thank y'all for watching once again. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.